Okay. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikāvai Tadāli Krishnāya Krishna Bhaktāya Tadbhaktāya Namo Vande Guruvadadandam Bhakta-vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanyam Prabhu Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Nandananam Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopinam Samajuktanam Vrindavanamanoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Ram Ram Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam and lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words because in our today very long journey also, and more than 12 hours already, and I have come coming from India, so now India about midnight 12:30. But you are very so kind to engage to me speak Hari Katha. Because Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in his Nectar of Instruction, Upadesamritam, he said that devotees, the audience, they are called protector of our Maya. That is called Vipat Taran. And if you have any danger, then devotee always protect you. And in this material, what is our
protection?
Vipad.
Obstacle, problem.
Problems. Dangers. What is that? Mayas is very powerful. And when you will not speak Hari Katha, and that time Mayas will be come and catch you. But when you speak Hari Katha, then Mayadevi is far from you. And even Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, Ayu harati boi pungsang uddananta asancha asau. Sun rises and sun sets. Means one day, one night you lose. And you are going to the death of Maya Samudra. But when you sit in front of sadhu and listen Hari Katha, and that time Maya will not to destroy your age. So just sit in front of the sadhu, Sangha Mahima, the glories of sadhu, how is it powerful. So in this verse, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Maharaj Parikshit, one who speaks Harikatha, but one who listens Harikatha, that means he complete protected by Guru and Krishna. Maya Devi, she cannot disturb to you. Harinam, Harikatha is very powerful. So, you are so kind, and I don't know you arrange this program or not. This is not also advertised. Eh? But when I came, that means surprise. Okay, devotees are here. Harikatha is very important, this is true. And Harinam, Harikatha is. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told, 24 hours you have to engage your mind, Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. Then one day pure holy names will manifest in your tongue. Understand? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told this. Otherwise, Maya is very powerful. Devi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Duratya Mame Vija Prabhaddante Maya Metan Tarantite. Krishna says, hey Arjuna, listen, my Devi Maya is very powerful. No one to escape from her clutches. But one who completely, absolutely surrender to me, then Maya will not disturb you. This is the process. How will you surrender to Guru and Krishna? So for this regard he told, there are 6 symptoms of Saranagati. Anukulasa Sankalpa, Pratikulasa Vivarjanam, Rakhisati Viswaso Goptite Varanam Tatha Atmanikhepa Karpanye Saravida Saranagati. For Saranagati need be. Without surrender, any method you will not develop your spiritual life. So this is very important. Our first need is a Saranagati. Surrender lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. Sarang loiya bhaje tari Krishna nahi taje. One who perform bhajan and sadhan and surrender to lotus feet of Guru and Krishna, then Krishna will never परित्याग नहीं करता है, never reject to him. Saran loiya bhaje. So how to surrender to Guru and Krishna. This life is not. 3 days I also gave Harikatha in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, then 21st chapter, that is called Venugit. And every day, morning and midday and evening, only Venugit Katha. Very nice, beautiful Katha. And every day we also giving Katha, and especially the commentary of Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, and especially our beloved Srila Gurudev's and commentary in there. Though gopis, they are eternal associates of Krishna. Krishna is Nitya Parikar. But they are acting the role as like a human being. And Krishna performs all his Leela as a human being. So far, though Krishna all Leela is going in transcendental world, that is called Golok Vrindavan. Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusing Dehamasitam Bhajate Tadja Krida Jasutva Tatparo Bhavit. This slok is very important slok. Mahatmapurna slok. Very important slok. Everybody have to learn this slok. Who knows this slok? You know? No? Damodar, you know or not?
Yes.
Okay, tell to me.
Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusham Deham Astika
Bhajate
Bhajate
tad krida.
Tatkrida
अरे उनके बोलने दो, आपके समय आता आप बोल नहीं पाते हो. हाँ,
Bhajate Tatkrida
जासुत्वा
Yashutva
हाँ
Bhavet.
तत्परो होइत. अच्छा चलो समथिंग आप बोलो.
Anugrahaya bhaktanam manushim mahashuta. Bhajate tad krishna krida. Tad paro.
Ja Srutva.
Tatparo bhava.
Ja Srutva Tatpuro Bhava. This is very important. You have to listen. Krishna Katha, you have to listen. And you have to absorb with Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. And you think, oh, I am not qualified, so how possible to listen? And you cannot say this word. In this verse, in Sanskrit word, that is called Vidhiling. Bhavet Sabde Kahe Vidhiling, Chaitanya Charitamrita. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, you have to listen. And if you not listen, this is called offense, aparad. Hoy pratyabhay. Pratyabhay means this is offense, aparad. If you not listen, then there is offense, aparad. I'll give an example in the Raslila Katha, end of Raslila Katha. Sukdev Goswami Pad, he gave the conclusion. What conclusion? Vikritang Brajabadhu Vidancha Vishnu Shraddhanito Anusunnad Varned Atha Bhakting Parang Bhagavati Patilabha Kamo Hidrogam Asu Apinati Achirena Dhira. And this is very important sloka. In this essence about these slokas, Krishna, he performs sweet Hermas pastimes with the gopis. That is called Rasa Lila Katha. And Krishna's topmost Lila, that is called Rasa Lila Katha. Jai Jo Jalo Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar Parokiya Bhave Jatha Brajit Prachar. Rasa Lila means Parokiya Bhav. That is called transcendental paramore mood. This paramore mood not manifest in this material world, not in heavenly planet, even not Vaikuntha Lok, even not Ram Lok, Ayodhya Dham, even not Dwarkapuri, not Mathura, only Golok, Vrindavan. And this mood manifested in the heart of the Braj Gopis. So he's saying this, Jai Jo Jalo Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhave Jatha Brajit Prachar. And Braj Vina Janai Annatra Prachar. And this highest mood, Krishna mercifully manifests in this material world. Because in transcendental world, only this lila is going on this way. Krishna's topmost lila, that is called Rasa Lila is going on. But in this material world, people, they have no idea what is the meaning of Rasa Lila. Because conditional soul is absorbed with their material, what is it called? Material
Life.
enjoyment. Understand this? But if you listen this Raslila Katha from the mouth of pure devotee of Lord, then one day your heart will be neat and clean. But for this they are saying, you have to listen. But they say, no, I am not qualified. I have no qualification, adhikar. So how possible to listen? Well, no, you have to listen. But condition is that you should not you should not imitate. This is the thing. So Srimad Bhagavatam always saying you have to listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha is very powerful. Because you are listening Hari Katha means Sri Hari himself. There are no difference. Sri Hari and his name. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasavigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Namina. Avinnatvat Nama Namina. There are no difference holy names and Sri Hari. You understand or not? But the transcendental vibration automatically enter in your ears and coming in where? In your heart and clean. Then Lord himself also seated. Sinnatang Sakata Krishna Punna श्रवण कीर्तन वृद्धंसो जभद्राणी विदुन्ति सुविधि सताम नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवा. Hari Katha is very powerful. Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido bhavante hit karana rasayana katha tajjo sanat asu apavarga vartmani shraddharati bhakti ranukramesate. Lord Kapil Dev told his mother Devati, "Oh my mother, I am giving the last instruction to you." Then Kapil Dev, he recited this verse. Shatang prasangat, always associate with sadhu. Association sadhu means here, listen Harikatha. Sadhu Sangha means Harikatha. If you not listen Harikatha, but you prepare many kinds of preparation, feeding, eating, this is also sadhu sangha, this is true. Dadati pratiginnati gujjamakyati prichati bhungte bhajate chaiva saravidha priti lakshanam. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse, giving and receiving. And what may the sadhus need, you are giving. And also have to take some prasad from sadhu. Pratiginnati gujjamakyati. You also asked your any confidential bhajan and sadhana. And any question you can ask. Prichati. And you ask, you have any doubts in your heart. And you ask, as Parikshit Maharaj asked to Sukadeva Goswami Pad. And hey Brahman, I cannot understand this tattva philosophy. And then Sukadeva Goswami Pad very happy and told this all tattva siddhanta. So dadati pratiginnati gujjamakyati prichati or bhungte bhojate chaiva. Feed to him and take his remnants. These are 6 types of the association of sadhu sangha. But topmost sadhu sangha is called Hari Katha. Hari Katha, Krishna Katha, Krishna. This is very topmost. For this God Srimati Radhika, she recited this verse. What? Who knows? Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viriritam kalmasavapam savana mangalam srimadattatam bhuvikinnanti te bhurida jana. Bolo. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viriritam kalmasavapam Sravana mangalam srimadattatam bhuvikinnanti te bhurida jana. Bhurida jana, bhurida jana. Bhurida jana is the best donor, one who glorifies the pastimes of Krishna Katha. In this material world, many types of donors, and who has need warrior, cloth, food, medicine, house, anything. They also will be donated to you. They are also donor, this is true. But topmost donor, that is called one who glorifies the pastimes of Krishna Katha. Because if you listen to Krishna Katha, then you will be delivered from this ocean of Maya. And again will not come in this material world. Where will go? Golok Vrindavan. Do you want to know? What do you want to go? Golok Vrindavan. What will you do? Only serve to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Vadabjastava vina Varadassameva Nannat kadapa samaye kila devi jache Sakkayat mama namastu nityam dassayate mama rasastu sattam. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse. Very nice, beautiful sloka. One Srimati Radhika, she very close, very pleased with when Raghunath Das Goswami. Hey Raghunath, and I want to give one blessing to you. What do you want? That time Raghunath Das Goswami decided his verse. Padabjo stavina barodasyamevo. Hey Samini Srimati Radhika, if you pleased with me and want to give blessing. Okay. Well, what do you want? I will give the highest position of my Prana Prashta Sakhi, Lalita Visakha. That position I will give you. But Raghunath Das Goswami is saying no. Padabjo stavina barodasyamevo nannat kadapi samay kila devi jache. Srimati Radhika, she is saying, I will give you. To Brahman, Ma Dakshina Bhava Kalankini Laghavai. Lalita Devi is topmost. And so Lalita Devi is, so Srimati Radhika is saying, I will give you this position. The post of Prana Prashta Sakhi Lalita. Raghunath Das Goswami, I pay my obeisance at that post. No need. So what do you want? Dassayata mama namastu. And just to give me shelter unto lotus feet, as like, and very, what is called, smallest, and Sakhi as Manjari Pad, how to serve your lotus feet. So Padabjo stavina barodasyamevo nannat kadapi samay kila devi jache sakkayat ma namastu nityam dassayat mama rasastu sattam. So in Benugit, and couple days and 3 days, I also gave and this example what Gurudev is speaking, and what is the meaning of Manjari Bhav, and that very nicely and elaborately explained, and in this katha. Gaur Premanandi, Jai Jai Shri Ram. Okay, so now we do Arati and you take prasad. You should be always enthusiastic. Utsah. Bhakti's first stage is called here. Utsahat, Nishchayat, Dharjat, Tat Karma Pravartanat, Sangat Tyaga Satovritti, Sarabhi Bhakti Prasiddhati. Always remember this. Upadesamrita, very the nectar of instruction. Rupa Goswami Pada explained. Bhakti means is always will be enthusiastic. Bhajan. Understand? Madhvangal Prabhu ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Okay.
He's feeding us today.
Krishna did the cooking.
His father, I know his father, Ram Shraddha Prabhu, when he was staying in his house, that time he was very small boy, always staying with me. And now he's bigger.
It's just inside. In size. But in heart is...
Very nice. Heidelberg, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that time I was staying. Very nice family. His father, so much love and affection with him. I remember all. Your mother, father, very nice Vaishnava Parivar. The disciple of Bhakti Vedanta Sai Maharaj. Very nice.
Father from Srila Swami Maharaj. Mother from also Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri
Puri
Goswami.
Goswami. Very nice. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Say small kirtan.
Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Gaura Hari Bol Jai Gaura Hari Bol